Cleaning your food processors after use is simple and easy. Your bowls, your lids, and all your accessories are able to go into the dishwasher. We recommend putting them on the top shelf, so your stainless steel blades, your whisk accessory, dough blades, all of the accessories can go in the top shelf. They can also be hand washed with warm soapy water. If you have any stubborn ingredients left inside the bowl after you've done a bread dough or a peanut butter, it's really easy to remove those. You just pop a little bit of water and detergent in the bowl with the multi-purpose blade, and then you just pulse a few times, and that helps to remove those stubborn ingredients. And then, as I said, you can pop everything in the dishwasher or in the sink and wash it up with warm soapy water. Make sure everything is dry before you assemble it back into your bowl and store it.